Hey guys, it's Ashley Fultz from thestyleeditrix.com. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to go through my glowy skincare products. So last week in the video, I'll link to that below, I shared all of my tips and tricks for getting glowy skin, and then I got asked for a little bit of a follow-up. So basically, in what order do you use those glowy skin products? And I know that's really overwhelming when there's so many products on the market and so many products people are recommending to you. Which order do you do them in to make them the most effective? So I'm gonna break it down for you guys in a really easy, simple way. So obviously you're gonna wanna start with a fresh face. So what you wanna do is clean off all your makeup or any dirty residue that may be on your face from a cleanser or a makeup removing wipe. Second, after I remove my makeup and my face is all clean, I usually go for some sort of mask. And the best way to get glowing skin is to take off the dead skin that's on the top layer of your face. So a great exfoliating mask like this one from Kate Somerville, it's called Exfoliate. It's her most famous product. It's amazing. It's actually green and really pebbly. It's pretty coarse, but it really takes off any yucky stuff on your skin. You can leave it on for 2 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever you feel like, but it's an amazing product. I'm gonna link to all the products that I feature below in the caption so you can check them out there. Next up, if I'm not doing a mask, I'll usually still do some sort of tonic or toner. This one is from Ren. I've been loving it lately. Ren has amazing glowing skincare products, and this is called their Ready Steady Glow Tonic. So it has AHAs in it, and it basically exfoliates your skin to, like I was telling you before with the other mask, exfoliating mask, this is a more gentle way to just show that skin, that beautiful skin that's underneath all the dead, dry skin that's on the top layer. So it's that natural glow that you're getting on your skin. You basically just pump this and fill it with a cotton swab and just smooth it all over your face a couple times in circular motions, and it removes any of the impurities or dead skin that's on your face, and then you're ready to moisturize. So morning and night, I actually start with a serum to start my moisturization process. I have really dry, sensitive skin, and this one from M61 is an amazing serum. It's called the Hydro Boost Serum, and it really helps my skin really soak in all that hydration that I'm using with the oils and that I'm also using with my moisturizer every day. So this is morning and night. I'm using this in my skincare routine. And then after that, I always use an oil. So oil might be something that's foreign to you, but I have incorporated it into my routine, and it has dramatically changed not only the texture of my skin, but it's also just glowing from within, which we really want to do. I use a bunch of different oils. Sonia Dakar is one of my favorites. I use one from Kate Somerville. This one I've been using recently. It's from Gold Faden MD. You can get this at Sephora. It's a really great, just all natural oil, and you just smooth it all over your skin after you do your serum. And then you actually lock it in with your moisturizer. So during the day, I always use a glow cream. So this takes the place of my moisturizer, and it really just sets your face up to be glowing and beautiful and hydrated looking before you start your makeup routine. At nighttime, I use a little bit of a thicker moisturizer. Kate Somerville Deep Tissue Repair is the one that I'm using right now. But during the day, you want your face to be glowing under your makeup. You want to start it off right away rather than just using highlighters, and this is a great way to do that. Once I've done my skincare routine, I actually use this amazing jade roller and start rolling in all the products on my skin. I just do upward motions on my face, and it not only helps the products really sink into your skin more, but it actually lifts and tightens your face, which is an amazing thing to do. And my face holds a lot of tension. I feel like I hold a lot of stress in my forehead and my eyebrows and everything else, and this relieves the stress and pressure in those facial muscles, which is what actually causes wrinkles. I got this really inexpensively on Amazon, but it's another way to really get that healthy, glowing skin in a natural way. So after my skincare routine is done, then it's time to do makeup. But before I do makeup, I actually start out with a primer. Primer is something that locks in your makeup all day. So it usually, wipes off by noon, or in the afternoon, you start seeing like it's kind of fading away in different areas. A primer locks it in for a longer time, but this one is a luminizing primer. So it's really gonna give you that extra glow. So we did our glow moisturizer. We already exfoliated our skin before that, and now we're doing basically a glowing luminizing primer. After the primer, of course, is time for your foundation, or in my case, I usually use some sort of BB cream or tinted sunscreen or moisturizing tint. This one is from Bare Minerals. It's called Complexion Rescue. And I use it in conjunction with this Kevyn Aucoin Celestial Skin Liquid Lighting. So this is basically an all over highlighter. I'll show you how I do it. I basically just take a little dollop, like this big, of the Celestial Liquid Lighting. And then my color in the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue is Vanilla 02. So that's how much I have on my hands. And then I rub them together and literally just smooth it all over my face. And it's not dramatic, it's not weird, it's not as heavy or cakey as some dry foundation would be, but this really helps my skin even out the tone and gives me that extra added glow that we're all looking for. The last step and trick to glowing skin, and something that I use every day in addition to my base color and then a little bit of bronzer and blush, I always highlight my cheekbones. This is a new palette. It's called Hyper Real Glow. It's from MAC. There's a million different highlighters on the market. There's liquid ones, which I really like some of them. There's one from NARS that I really love. But this one is a palette with 3 different shades of basically glow highlighters, and I usually just put it on my cheekbone. And I'll usually do it with a brush, but you can also use your fingertips. This is a new palette. You guys can actually shop it, I believe now or next week, but I'll link it below. So that's basically it. The only other thing that you can do is midway through the day when you're feeling like your skin is not as glowy or it's getting duller, maybe you're going out for dinner or drinks after work or after being out all day, you can add a little bit of oil right here to your cheeks, or of course a little bit more highlighter. Or in my case, I usually go with some sort of coconut water spray like this, or hydrating face mist. A lot of brands are doing it. But basically, you just spray it all over your skin, and it just adds a little bit of dewy glow to your skin and kind of refreshes your makeup and sets your makeup in again. Okay, so I feel like that was a lot to take in. There were a lot of products that I featured there. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to go over anything with you guys, but these are a few amazing products that give you that healthy, glowing, radiating skin that we're all dying to get. And honestly, I'm a much bigger firm believer in skin from within rather than trying to add on so much makeup to make it glow. It's really about your skincare routine, obviously drinking tons of water. I notice my skin is really dry and dull looking when I don't drink enough water. And then also eating good really makes a big difference in my skin too. So I hope this helped you guys. Let me know what you think of this video below. Make sure to click that red subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. It would really help me out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another video. Bye!